And we're going to make a pizza with clay and french fries. And there's even a tray to put it on there.
So let's get started.
Put it back like this.
So what color clay do you have?
I have
And this is red. And yellow. And that's it.
It's just a little tray. Let me help. They're supposed to be orange.
Let me help you. Open this. We did a little tray and then the French fry holder, and Adrian just opened the yellow clay. So we're just gonna build everything, and then we'll show you at the end.
But we need some.
See how it turns out.
We need some.
And that looks like string, like cheese or something like that. It looks so cool though.
Hello guys, we made the pizza, and my sister helped me, Stephanie, and the French fries I did. It was so easy. And we're gonna put a